Hey, it's Locksmith there. Alright, we're going to do another little quick video for you. Changing the battery on your Fobik 5-button remote. If your keyring goes through, which a majority of them do, Chrysler did fix this issue, so did Dodge, so did Jeep. You notice you can leave your keyring on here. It will actually assist and help you. I am using a flat tip screwdriver to do this task, and you will need a flat tip and your CR2032 battery. So with that being said, go ahead and put your finger under the bottom, or if you got keyring on, you can put your finger in there. I'm using a flat tip just to demonstrate, pushing that over to the side, and when I do, you notice it releases as I'm putting slight pressure on there. Go ahead and pull that out, set it to the side. You are not going to need that. Now when you look inside here, you will see that this is where the emergency blade goes in. You do have a little lip right here and a little lip over here. Whatever flat tip you have, go ahead and put it in between the two and gently pry the two apart. Don't put too much pressure, because you will bend the plastic in here and it'll make your emergency key not want to go in. You do see that it's partially open. You can go and set your flat tip down, pull the two halves apart. You notice the remote rubber stayed on this one. No worries, just take it out and just set it to the side. I'll set them inside and gently push down on them. Go ahead and take your flat tip, lift up the battery from the bottom. You do notice some of the remotes will tell you that's a CR2032, which we already know. This little metal piece in here sometimes will fall out. If it does, don't worry, they're easy to go back in. You didn't break it. We are using new remotes for the demonstrations, so we're going to actually put this battery back in. Put the battery back in, push it towards the little metal tabs, and when you do, push down on the battery and it will lock into place. Once it does that, you should be able to lift it up and flip it over and the battery does not pop out. Take your front half of your Fobiks, go ahead and put the two together. Let's line them up, and as you can see, it's going together, and just gently work it around. Go ahead and start at the tip and just squeeze it and you'll hear it snap, and work your way towards the back, and you notice it's back together. Go ahead and put your emergency key back in. There you go, folks. You just changed the battery on your Fobik. Thanks for watching SgtLocksmith, and let's be safe out there.